What's going on, everyone? How's everyone doing? I'm gonna be going to a glass. I don't know what happened here, but as you can see, my windshield just broke. It just cracked. There's no point of impact, it just cracked. And actually, there's another crack right here on top. I don't know if it's delamination, but I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this with my my friend's glass shop. So let's go over there and let's get this crack replaced. I mean, this windshield, I should say. What's up, guys? So I'm here at my buddy's GTO Auto Glass. Let's go inside and get this thing taken out. First you need to do is remove the plastic piece over here. Took that out already. guys. Everything is done. James is the man if you go to Glass GTO here in LA. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed that video. How he did it professionally. Take care and God bless. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.